Time is a resource that many of us do not like to waste. Waiting for the machine to warm up in the morning seems like a very unproductive use of time. So instead of waiting for the machine to warm up while we stand there, let's use macros in order to set a timer on the machine so the machine can be warmed up when we're ready to go. When we open the door on our machines, we're reminded of what the recommended spindle warm-up procedure is for our machines. To set the clock, press the maintenance key. Once there, we will set the user level to number 5, the password of which is 2222. After successfully changing the user level, we select the right arrow over key and then choose date. This allows us access to the hours, minutes, and seconds, as well as year, month, and date for the control. The warm-up program in this machine is a sub-program that I use to call up an MDI. We can edit this program using background edit as not to disrupt our main program. I have this program called 07999 as it's outside of the range of most program O numbers that I will call. Please use a G53 instead of the M140 if using this video for reference. We are going to set pound 19 for the variable that we actually set the time at. There's a reason we are going to do this. Macro elements time type 5 and time type 6 give us the time for the hours and the minutes of the LNC control. By setting these as a separate variable, we can put them in a loop test. This statement compares pound 19 to at 10. As long as at 10 is less than pound 19, it will sit there in a loop till it is complete. In MDI, I use block delete in order to run specific portions of my MDI and not run other portions of my MDI. Here we have the M99P 7999, which is a sub call for my warm-up. And now we wait. When the clock reaches 8:01, at 10 will become greater than pound 19 and the warm-up cycle starts. Let's go ahead and utilize this 19 a little bit better by commenting it out of the warm-up program. We're going to use the double backslash lines to nullify that NC statement. Now we go back to our MDI and we're going to make the M99 a G65. In addition to that, we're going to put an S code signifying the start time. In this particular case, we'll use 8:03.